Hi, this is Chris from Audi Retrofit and Royal Auto Services. A little tutorial on how to input the postcode on the Dynavin A5 N6. Rather than searching all, simply go into find address, and where it says city, put the postcode in there, including a space. So let's try BL. Change the numbers, 6, 5. If it highlights the house number, put it in. House number not found. Okay. So, yeah, there is no number 4. So if you want to select on the map, if that's not accurate enough and you want to select it on the map somewhere else, you simply point to where you want it to go to and click go.
Take the next right.
It counts down from 10. Gives you a lot of information on the screen as to what your journey is going to be like. And that's it, away you go. Simple as that. Up here you've got the quick menu. You can cancel your route there, or turn the volume up and down of the spoken voice. In this case we'll cancel it. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.